Another ad you're going to create for your magazine is a quarter page based on the Adobe Illustrator Classroom in a Book, any one of the tutorials that you have done so far. So maybe you want to take one of the logos from something you've done and use it as a smart object. Maybe you want to use it on something else. There's quite a few different elements, but you can take any tutorial that's in the Classroom in a Book and turn it into a quarter page ad. So when I say quarter page ad, I mean it needs to be 5.5 inches tall, which is half a sheet of paper, and 4.25 wide, which is when you fold it in 4/4, that's you get one of those. So the trick is, how are you going to use it on the page? So make sure if it's on the bottom, you're applying that none master, that you're giving me the credit for the Adobe Illustrator Classroom in a Book. Also that you give it to me for any other type of mock-up or any other elements that you may use. So some students have used it, they've taken the logo that they created and created a ad that way. Some people have used it. This one is a bullseye coffee, so they used it with a smart object and created something else. So there's a lot of different ways you can use it. The trick is, how do you do something else with the page? So that will be, you have this island of 3/4. So what are you going to do with the rest of that? It's really interesting to see how people approach um, the different things that you can do. So make sure you're using a different tutorial that you have in the past to create that quarter page ad.